Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your age from your Discord account. So to change your age you cannot use your Discord application. You must need to open a browser first. For me I'm using Google Chrome. So open your browser and here search for support.discord.com. Type support.discord.com and click on this. Here you can see a three bar icon left to the sign in option. Tap on that and click on submit a request. In this drop down menu you need to select trust and safety. Here you need to put your email address, the email address with which one is associated with your Discord account. Just write down your email address here. Then here select how can I help. So select appeals, age update, other questions, and here in the drop down menu again select update my age information. Now write down your date of birth in which you want to change. So for example, this is your date of birth. Now click on this tick mark and in the subject option you need to write change my age. Then in the description you can write hello Discord support team and blah blah blah. You can tell them that you accidentally input your birthday to the wrong numbers and you want to change your Discord birthday. So you can write them like this: my actual birthday is like that, but I mistakenly did that in a wrong way, so please update my age information. You can write this in the description and after it just click on submit. So after you submit your request they will contact you via email. They'll email you and I hope your age information will be updated. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.